Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're going to bind our holiday planner. Now I'm going to use my cinch, and I may not use my cinch like you're supposed to. I use mine the way that I can understand it. So I'm not going to do a tutorial on it because I may not do it exactly right. I just do it the way that it's easiest for me. So, but if you don't have a cinch, or if you don't have a bind it all, you don't have a way to bind it, you can punch 3 holes in here, one here, one here, one here, and just use those rings, use those book rings, and bind it that way. There's lots of different ways you can bind it. You could even use ribbon in it, different things like that. You do not have to have a cinch to bind it. That's just what I like to do mine with. Okay, so first what we're going to do is I think I'm going to punch my holes in the pockets. I think. Now, like I said, I'm not going to do a tutorial. I will pull it over here where you can see it. But I just leave mine in the original position. I leave all of my pegs punching. I don't pull any of them out. I think they're all, let me see. I think they're all punching. No. Okay. All right. And then I just make sure that it's all the way back to the back. And I punch. Now I did do a practice run. I always do a practice run on something, and just I cut it the size that I need just to make sure that, you know, things are going to get punched correctly or somewhat correctly. And then I flip mine over. Now a lot of people pull out their extension here and go that way. I flip mine over because it just seems to be a little bit easier for me. Like I said, I have no idea. I'm probably not doing it right, but it works. And the way I look at it, if it works, you know, why fix it if it's not broken? Then I'm going to go to this pocket. I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to flip it over. Make sure that I've got it all the way to the back. And punch. So just like that. And see, then I make sure, you know, I check, make sure that my holes are lining up. Then I'm going to punch the front. This one's going to be a little bit different because we've got that laminated sheet on there. So what I'm going to do is measure. Looks like it's 11 1/4. So all I'm going to do is bring this little thing right here out 1/4 inch to hopefully make up for that. Like I said, hopefully. Let me see, that didn't feel like it's correct. Alright, we're going to punch that. Okay. And I'm going to flip it over, push it back as far as it'll go, and punch. Okay, there's 2 little places right here in the center that it didn't punch, and I think I know why, so I'm going to do some adjusting here. And try that one more time. There we go. Okay. We've got those. Now you want to just move your guide back and then put these in there. Punch those. Okay, now we have our wire on the side here, so we're going to put that first, and this one, and then we'll put this one in. And I intentionally didn't make them as tall as this is. Then what you want to do is put down your front cover, So that's there. And my back cover got a little bit too many punches in there. I walked away for a minute and my granddaughter came out here and started pulling and pushing on some of these buttons and I didn't realize it. So it kind of punched a little bit too many, but it's still going to bind right. So you need to put your back page on the top. And you'll see why in a minute when you bind this up. And hopefully this is going to go on there right. I hope she didn't. Let's see. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit, let's see, which one is a little bit tight. When I find one that's a little bit tight, I usually just trim it. It's not a biggie. It's laminated, so it will work. There we go. That's going to work. And then just take that off of there. This is a 3/4 inch. I didn't have one that was smaller. I wish I'd have had a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch because this is probably way too big, but we're going to use it. Now, I lay mine down in just like that, up against that back. And I've got it set on 3/4. So then we're just going to press it down. And go to the other end, hold it up against there, and press it down. Now, this end I'm going to press again because I didn't really press it all the way down. So there we go. We got that bound. Just going to look at them. I like to look and make sure that they're, yep, that looks good. Then when you flip this back cover back around, as you can see that where you put that together is all on the inside so it doesn't show. See? So there is our planner. There's the inside. We can put a pocket here if we want to. There's our pockets. There's more pockets. That's for our flyers and such. And then here is all of our sheets for all kinds of notes and things. And then we can put another pocket here if we want to, but that is going to serve very, very well. Cleaning to-do list I put on the front because that's usually what I need to do first. Gift ideas I put second. Holiday recipes, holiday meal, let me flip them back. Projects to-do list, gifts to make, holiday planner, what is that? Holiday party planner, shopping to-do list, stocking stuffers, and then Christmas gift ideas, holiday baking, that kind of thing. But you can put yours in any form, fashion you want. What I'll probably do is put little stickers on here as to where each thing is so that I'll know how to get to them real quick. But that is our planner. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this. I had really enjoyed making it. I love things like this. I love books and all kinds of planning pages and things so that I can keep up with everything. Absolutely love them. And this was simple to make. Now, we are going to have a giveaway. And I was going to give this away because I already have one made. I was going to give this away, but since, you know, the back got a little bit messed up there, I'm not going to give this away now. I'm going to give something else away. And I haven't really decided what that's going to be. But if you want to be in on the giveaway, and it will be something very good, I can promise you, all you need to do is leave a comment below letting me know if you use a holiday planner, and if you do, if you have made this one. And leave me that comment below, and then you have to be subscribed to our channel. So just do those two things and you'll be entered in the giveaway. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. We will talk to you guys later, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. Be careful out there, and we love you all.